Daddy, look what I'm eating.
What are you eating?
Only today.
Uh-oh.
She likes
Yeah,
the
that's what you say now.
Hershey's.
Now she's got a taste for it.
It's over now. It's over.
Yep.
It's just gonna be, instead of meat and potatoes, it's gonna be chocolate and
I know a place y'all
Caramel.
can go to, Patrick. The Macy's will really enjoy.
where's that?
Hershey,
Oh, I know
Hershey,
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania.
She would
I thought that would come.
love that.
You go into Hershey and it smells like chocolate.
I mean,
There.
the town,
Literally does.
literally, you drive into the town and it smells.
It'd be like Willy Wonka.
Yeah, it is.
I want to go there one day.
We can go there next summer.
Uh,
That'd be fun going up the eastern seaboard.
It's really
It's a
pretty.
beautiful place. Hilly and
Lots of beautiful trees.
The Appalachian Mountains.
You'd really like it.
I would like the chocolate.
yeah, you would. And
More kids.
And they got plenty
More.
of
You have more. Amo, it's your turn.
just like 4 or 5 pieces.
Okay.
Amo, go. There.
You want me to get in this
Yeah,
one?
you do it.
They even have a witch.
Oh, witch.
Amo, there she goes, Sammy.
I'll give you a treat. You want a treat too? Oh, we'll see.
Sammy.
There you go. You're welcome. You're welcome.
I like the costume. That's pretty cute.
Hey.
The kids next door asked if, across the street, asked if you were going to be home. Did they come yesterday?
No, there is a one more, Amo.
More?
Yeah, but he's not with custom. Oh, he's here.
Hmm?
Yeah, he's there.
Where's he at? Somebody's at the door?
Uh huh.